In this video, I'll show you how to create a Game Pass for Plaz Donate step by step. First, go to roblox.com and log into your account. After logging in, go to the Creations section. Now click Experiences or My Experiences. Choose the game you use for Plaz Donate. Click the game to open its settings. Scroll down until you find the monetization option. Now click Passes. Click Create a Pass. Upload an image for your Game Pass. Choose an image that represents your pass. After that, enter a name for the Game Pass. This name will be visible to people who donate. You can also add a description. Now click Create Pass. Your Game Pass will be created. Now you need to put the pass on sale. Click the Game Pass you created. Find the Sales option. Enable Item for Sale. Now set the price in Robux. Save the settings. Keep in mind that Roblox keeps a percentage of the Robux.